Hello everyone, welcome to miniOrange. In today's video, we'll configure the Jira OAuth OIDC SSO plugin using Azure AD as the OAuth Open ID Connect provider. Let's get started. First, navigate to the miniOrange OAuth OIDC SSO app in Jira and click on Configure. Click on Add New App and choose Azure AD as the provider. Now, switch to the Azure AD Portal. Select App Registration and click on New Registration. Enter the application name. You will find the redirect URI in the plugin, which is used to tell the OAuth provider where to send the token after authentication. Copy it and paste it in the given field. Click on Register. Application ID and tenant ID will be displayed. Now, switch back to the miniOrange OAuth OIDC SSO app in Jira. Under Application Details, enter a custom app name as Azure AD. Next, head back to Azure AD. Copy the application ID and paste it into the corresponding field in Jira. Similarly, copy the tenant ID from Azure AD and paste it into the required field. Go to Certificates and Secrets from the application and click on New Client Secret. Enter the description and select the expiring time. Click on Add. Copy this client secret and paste it in the client secret in the plugin. Enter the scope as user.read to fetch the profile data of the signed-in user and directory.read.all to fetch the group details. Once all the fields are filled, save the configuration. If everything has been set up correctly, the status will show Configuration Successful. Now, when logging into Jira, select OAuth Login. You'll be redirected to Azure AD Portal, where users can enter their credentials. After successful authentication, they'll be logged into Jira using Single Sign-On. Users can also go to their profile settings in Jira to verify that their details have been successfully fetched from Azure AD. Thank you for watching.